Assalamu alaikum. Today friends, I will be showing you how to make tasty Gol Gappa. So let's get started. The ingredients are black boiled chickpeas, boiled chopped potatoes, chopped tomatoes and onions, and green coriander and mint chopped. Add chaat masala according to your taste. Add tamarind and plum chutney. And mix well. After you mix well, put it to the side and work on the Gol Gappa water. Here I have is some water and I'm going to add some lemon juice to the water. I'm now going to add the tamarind and plum chutney. And then add the only tamarind chutney. And some chaat masala. And mix well. Also add some mint and coriander leaves. And to make it a bit more tastier, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of mint and coriander chutney. The Gol Gappa water is ready. We're now going to work on the Gol Gappa itself. I have a Gol Gappa packet which is ready to fry, so we're now going to fry this. I have fried the Gol Gappa. Now using your thumbs, make a hole in the Gol Gappa. And do this for all of them. Now fill it with the chana chaat. The Gol Gappa is now ready. This is a very simple recipe. If you enjoyed, make sure you like, comment and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.